One of the most common questions we get asked is, how do I remove these shopping centre car park marks? I'm going to show you how to take care of it. I've got a few items here: bucket and sponge, some shampoo, a drying towel, a clay bar, and some quick detailer, some compound, and some protection for afterwards. Let's get stuck in. First things first, let's give it a rinse. Less is more. Now that's clean. We're going to use our microfiber drying towel. Next step, clay bar. We need our detailer, which acts as a lubricant. Scissors. I cut these into quarters or thirds and save the rest for another day. Don't litter. We've just got to work it about for a minute to warm it up. That's pretty good. I like to flatten it out, hold it on 3 fingers, lubricate. And just lightly passing over. We want the clay bar to glide, not catch. I'm just going to wipe off the excess. As you can see, we still have a little bit of our mark left, but paintwork is feeling silky and smooth. Next step, we're going to break out some clear coat safe compound. Put a small pea-sized dot on our applicator. We're just going to work that into our little problem area. Nearly there. We might wipe off. There is still a tiny mark there. We're going to hit it one more time. That mark is now barely visible, so we can go ahead and re-protect. We've got to smash this out quick because that camera is about to die. Let's get this out of the way. You can use any protection. Read the instructions. That's where the mark was. There we go. So I guess that's job done.